In case you've seen this Agaserviceco, Ma TT, Alliazins, USVA charge on your credit card. So maybe you've seen this charge on your credit card and you wonder exactly what is going on. Then you need to know that it's likely a charge from Allianz Global Assistance, okay, who is a world leader in the travel insurance and assistance industry. So maybe you're the kind of person that you've used their service in the past, then you need to know that the charge is from them, or maybe you've reached out to a travel agency recently or a travel insurance and assistance industry or agency recently, then there is high likelihood that this charge is from Allianz Global Assistance. Okay, so it's kind of a legitimate charge from this company. Okay, and there is a probability that you might have traveled with a traveling firm recently. So maybe you've traveled with them recently and you do not remember. Then you can decide to try as much as possible to just think hard and remember when you travel with them, and the charge might still be from them, maybe by mistake. Okay, so it's more of a legitimate charge from my research, so that is what you need to know regarding this. Okay, so let's talk about some best measures that you can put in place before you even decide to think about anything else. So if you notice any unauthorized charge like this from a traveling firm like Allianz Global on your credit card, then the first thing you should do is that you should review the charge. Okay, so you need to verify the details of the charge so that you can ensure if it is indeed an error or unauthorized charge. Okay, so try to review the charge, because this way you are able to know if it is an error. So you need to check your travel plans. Okay, and also any email or receipt from the travel firm. Okay, so check all those and review the charge, because this way the moment you're able to verify the details of the charge, so it helps you to know exactly where it comes from. So you need to check out your traveling plans and also any emails or receipts from the travel firm. Okay, and the next thing is you want to contact the travel firm. Okay, so you can reach out to the travel firm's customer service, okay, or billing department, so you can make inquiry about the charge, and you can always reach out through their website. Okay, or maybe you can check some of the receipts given to you. They always have their mobile number or their business number at the bottom of the receipt, or if there is any way you've been able to reach out to them, okay, previously, you can always reach out to them so that they can provide you with the details and explain the reason, you know, why you believe it is incorrect. Okay, so the travel firm's customer service or billing department to make inquiry regarding this. Okay, and you can also request a refund or correction. Okay, you can ask the travel firm to review and rectify the charge. I've seen some people who have done this from time to time, whereby they ask the travel or the firm. Okay, it might not be a travel firm, can be any other firm, whereby they've asked them to review and rectify the charge, and they request a refund or a corrected bill if necessary. So in case you are in this kind of shoe, you can decide to request a refund or bill correction if necessary. Okay, so this is also very important. Also, documenting everything is also very important. You can keep detailed records of all communications with the travel firm. Okay, and this can include dates, okay, times, names of representative, and summaries of conversation. So I always tell people to document, because documentation is very, very paramount. Because if you go ahead, maybe you are not able to rectify it with the agency or the company, you need to keep detailed documentation of all dates, time, names, representatives, and summaries of the conversation, because that is what you can use to, maybe in case you want to add law to it, you can submit all these. So it will serve as a reference and also more of something to rely on, in case they ask for more details. Okay. And also, you need to follow up in writing. So, in case if the issue is not resolved promptly, you can send a written dispute to the travel firm. Okay. So, this can help you also, and you can include copies of any relevant documents, such as receipts and also previous correspondence. Okay. Also, try as much as possible to dispute the charge with your credit card issuer. So, if the travel firm does not resolve the issue, then try and contact your credit card issuer to dispute the charge. That's why I even told you earlier that you should keep, the record details, record document all your conversations with them. Okay, and when you provide documentation and evidence that the charge is erroneous or unauthorized to your credit card issuer, they will be able to take prompt action immediately and help you to solve this issue. Okay, so that is why it's always very important, especially for people who are being charged a whole lot, because why some people are being charged $7, $5. There, I know some people who are always being charged $5,000 and more, and those charges are always too much because it's not even easy to make money in this economy. Okay, so try as much as possible to also monitor your account. So try to regularly check your credit card statement to ensure that the erroneous charge is corrected, and also there are no further errors that occurs. Okay, so make sure you monitor your account. Okay, monitor your account. You can use all these alerts, okay, to monitor your account and check your credit card statement to ensure that there is no more illegitimate charges like this, and everything is being corrected, and also there are no further errors that are occurring. Okay, and you can check for any impact on travel plans. Okay, so you need to ensure that disputing the charge does not affect any legitimate travel plans or bookings you might have with the firm. Okay, so you need to know that, or maybe there is even another type of firm that is not even this Alliance Global Assistance. Okay, so you need to check very well and see if there is nothing like maybe any travel plan that is being that is being affected. So you need to check that out and see that no travel plan is being affected. Okay. And in case there is any other thing, maybe everything we've talked about doesn't work, then you can report to consumer protection agencies. So in case the travel plan or your credit card issuer does not resolve the issue, you can consider filing a complaint with the Better Business Bureau. Okay, which is the BBB, or the local consumer protection agency. So this way you're being protected, and they can try and help you out. But always make sure that you document everything as you're communicating, either through email or through call. You can record a voice call with the customer service of any of the credit card issuer or travel agency. So this way you are able to send all this as a reference, okay, whenever you are filing another report, okay, to like the BBB, the Better Business Bureau, or your consumer protection agency. Okay, so these are the things that you need to know, and always make sure that you stay vigilant. So you need to continue to monitor your credit card statements and any interactions with travel firm to catch any future errors promptly. Okay, so staying vigilant is very important, and I always tell people to never underestimate this. Okay, so this is what I have for you in today's video. And also, in case you've experienced something like this in the past and you took a particular measure, you can let us know in the comment box what actually worked for you, or maybe you apply everything I've said here and it worked for you. You can come back to the comment box and also type exactly what you're able to do. I'm sure it will help other people to also make the best decision regarding this type of issue. And I wish you the best of luck. Thank you very much, and I hope you're able to resolve this charge and to be able to get your credit card to keep working perfectly without any unauthorized charge on your card. Thank you very much. I'll see you in another credit card tutorials just like this, and hopefully more on credit card, on how you can make use of your credit card and no longer on charges. Thank you very much. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.